नहीं,
हाँ
रमीज़
चला
भी
जाओ।
नहीं है ना। तब तक रमीज़ भी आ जाएगा। चलें पहले 700 स्टार्ट कर लेते हैं। चलें जी, स्टार्ट जी। डू यू टेक एन इंटरेस्ट इन लाइफ? क्वेश्चन मार्क। यू माइट वेल आंसर दैट it all depends upon what taking an answer means, and you would do well to answer in that way, because much trouble is caused in life through people not expressing themselves in a clear enough way. Full stop. If by taking an interest in life is meant that we would rather, मैं सबको म्यूट कर दूं, आप लोगों की आवाज़ें आ रही हैं पीछे से।
जी सर।
किसी की आ रही है सर।
जी। अ, अच्छा जी। इफ़ बाय टेकिंग एन इंटरेस्ट इन लाइफ इज़ मीन्ट दैट वी वुड रादर बी लिविंग देन डाइंग, इट इज़ प्रोबेबल दैट ऑलमोस्ट एवरी living person is interested. Full stop. If however we take it as given that everyone would rather live than die, we must find other meanings for the words. Full stop. We can indeed be interested in life from very many points of view. Full stop. Many well-to-do and highly successful businessmen have reached reached that happy state because they have found a great interest in living their own lives to the full and not paying too much attention to other people actions. Full stop. They have got up each day ready to overcome any difficulties that may face them, and willing to meet any demands that life may make upon them. Full stop. When times have been bad, they have not lost hope. When times have been good, they have not lost their heads, but have remembered that the years in front of them might not always be so good. Full stop. They have given of their best in their daily lives, and in return they have found success. Full stop. It is not everyone, however, who can find working life so satisfactory in itself. Full stop. It is not everyone who can find work that meets all the needs of the mind, full stop. Such people demand pleasures beyond those of labor, and they try to find an interest in life in other directions, full stop. But the directions are जी चलें जी रमीज़ आप भी लिख लें. But the directions are so many that it is not easy to know in which direction to look, full stop. Happily we do not as a rule have to look far, for we seem to have natural interests, full stop. It seems to come quite naturally to us to sort out our feelings, and from the great number of possible fields of interest we find forces pulling us this way or that, full stop and close. चलें जी सुनाएं. सुमारा
सर मैं
सुनाएं.
Yes, sir. Do you take an interest in life? Full stop. Question mark. You might will answer that it and depends upon that taking an answer mind meanings and
Means.
do and you would.
Means.
Yes, sir.
Means.
Yes, sir. Means and you would. It will to
Do will.
answer.
It नहीं है, do है.
Yes, sir.
Do will.
Do will to answer in it our
In that way.
in it
In
Yes,
that
sir.
way. In that way.
in that we because
Because आगे.
बस हो
much trouble caused in life other people in
Through.
In example.
Through people.
two people in example themselves
pressing
Not expressing.
expressing themselves in a full stop
In a clear.
in enough we are
In a clear enough way.
this player in enough we are few by taking an interest in life has meaning that we
Is meant that.
we it is means that we would rather by living
Rather be.
rather by living
Be living.
how this living
जी.
living other
Then.
it is possible
living then
this,
dying
then
Living then dying.
it is possible that almost from living person as
Every
interest
living person.
every living person as interest few however we taking had as given at everyone that rather life than full stop we must found other meanings for the words we can indeed interest in life from very many points and few full stop many
सर जी गलत पढ़ रही है
of to do
पढ़ने दें जैसे ही पढ़ रही है
सही पढ़ा
पढ़ने
है।
दें. गलतियां हैं गलतियां.
सही पढ़ा है।
आप पढ़ने दें, बीच में इंटरप्शन ना करें. पढ़ने दें. चलें पढ़ें आप पढ़ें.
many
आज
points of view of
जी।
view full stop. Many इधर क्या था? Happy क्या था? Many happy to do या many will to do.
भाई हंस किस ले रहे हैं, आपसे गलतियां नहीं होती।
सर ये
Many
अवैस भाई
will
हंस रहे हैं।
पढ़ें शाबाश शाबाश, पढ़ें पढ़ें
भाई ज्यादा नहीं हंसते.
मैं नहीं हंस
पढ़ें
रहा।
पढ़ें पढ़ें, आप पढ़ें।
Will and highly successful businessman and have reached it full stop.
अच्छा जी, अब
सर,
मैं आप लोगों को एक और बात बताने यहाँ जा रहा हूँ। एक मिनट मेरी बात सुने, एक मिनट रुकें।
जी सर.
हम जो है ना पूरे पाकिस्तान से लोगों को इस ग्रुप में ऐड कर रहे हैं, ठीक है जी। और आप लोग अल हुदा इंस्टीट्यूट के स्टूडेंट्स हैं, तो जब उसमें पूरे पाकिस्तान से लोग इस क्लास के लिए आएंगे ना, तो उसमें आपकी परफॉर्मेंस बेहतर होनी चाहिए। आप लोगों ने मेरी बात जो है ना ऐसे नहीं होना चाहिए, ठीक है जी।
सर आप टेंशन न लें, हम बुक खोल के सुनाया करेंगे आपको।
ठीक है। और ये भी जो लेक्चर है ना, ये भी यूट्यूब पर अपलोड हो रहे हैं, पता आप लोगों को?
ठीक है सर।
पता आप लोगों को?
नहीं
आप अपने 2 दिन
सर, हमको क्या
2 दिन
पता?
पहले वाला लेक्चर जो है ना, वो भी आप यूट्यूब पे चेक कर लें। सबसे ऊपर जो वीडियो आ रही होगी ना, वो मैं कर चुका हूँ पब्लिश।
तो हम देखते हैं सर आज क्या
हाँ
रंग
जी।
लगाया है हमने।
अब तो ये कह रहा है ना, मैं बुक खोल के सुनाऊंगा, बस फिर वो उसमें
ये भी publish हो जाएगा।
रिकॉर्डिंग हो रही है, ये भी रिकॉर्डिंग चल रही है,
मेरे पास बुक ही नहीं है सर।
इसलिए ज़रा तैयारी ज़्यादा करें। ये 1-2 दिन के अंदर अंदर हम कर देंगे। उसमें हर शहर से लोग शामिल होंगे इसमें। ठीक है रमीज़,
ठीक हो गया सर जी, ठीक हो गया सर।
चलें यहाँ से पढ़ें जी।
बहुत मेहनत।
हमज़ा पढ़ें आप आगे।
यस
बहुत याद रखें आप.
पॉइंट ऑफ फुल स्टॉप मैनी वेल टू डू
Have
एंड हाईली
reached
सक्सेसफुल
had तक पढ़ा है मैंने.
businessmen have reached that happy state caused they have found a great interest in living their own life to the full and not pain नहीं
नॉट
है,
पेइंग।
paying not
Full
paying too much
and-
attention to other people's action that they have got up got up
जी जी।
up are नहीं है
Each.
are है
ईच है।
each day ready to overcome in
Of much.
any difficulties that may face and they
फेस दम। Face them.
willing to made any
मीट।
demands that
मीट है,
life
मीट,
may
विलिंग टू मीट।
meet any demands that life may make upon them. When times have been brought them have not lost hope. When times have got them have not lost their hopes but have remembered that the years in front of them might not always be so good. Full stop. And they have given to their
गिवन टू नहीं,
Best.
गिवन ऑफ।
given of their best in their daily lives, and in return they have found success. It is not everyone, however, who can
यहाँ से
find
अवैस पढ़ें जी।
in life.
who can find working life so satisfactory in its full stop. It is not
इन
everyone
itself।
in itself full stop. It is not everyone who can find work that meets of the needs of the mind full stop. As such people demand pleasure beyond those of labor and they die to find an interest
ट्राई टू
in
फाइंड।
life.
ट्राई
try
Try.
to find an interest in life in other direction, but the directions are so many that it is not easy to know in which direction to look. Full stop. Happily, we do not, as a rule, have to look far, far. We seem to have naturally interests. Full stop. It it seems to come quite naturally to us to sort different our feeling, and from the great number of uh, possible field of interest, we find force pulling us they, this way or that. Full stop.
चलें जी दूसरे लिखें। ये अब आपको अनसीन लिखवानी है।
जी सर। जी सर।
स्टार्ट जी। पाकिस्तान क्रिमिनल लॉ जर्नल, पेज 888, स्टार्ट। द इंस्टेंट केस was registered wide FIR number 490 dated 2/11/2003 of police station Mandan, Bannu under sections 324/336/34 PPC, wherein Malik Khaira, Amir Habibullah alias Mirbal and Javed Khan were charged by the complainant Musammad Khan Khudara Bibi for effectively firing at her and ineffectively firing at her husband Muhammad Jamil. Full stop. All the three accused were tried in the court of Mr. Asghar Shah Khilji, Learned Additional Session Judge 2, Bannu. Full stop. White judgment dated 15/1/2007. He convicted accused Malik Khaira and acquitted accused Amir Habibullah alias Mirbal and Javed Khan. Full stop. Now Malik Khaira, convict / appellant, has preferred criminal appeal number 4 of 2007 against his conviction, and Musammad Khan Khudara, complainant, has preferred appeal criminal appeal number 7 of 2007 against the acquittal of accused Amir Habibullah alias Mirbal and Javed Khan to be jointly decided by this judgment. Full stop. I have heard arguments of Mr. Gohar Zaman Kundi, advocate for the convict / appellant and acquitted respondents / accused. Full stop. Mr. Anwarul Haq, advocate, has been heard for complainant. Full stop. Mr. Farooq Akhtar, advocate, argued for the state. Record has been consulted. Full stop. Paragraph. The acquit / appellant and the acquitted accused oblique respondents were charged in the trial court on 2/9/2004 on 2 counts under sections 324/34 PPC full stop. The first count was regarding effective firing on the complainant Musammad Khan Khudara, and second count of the charge was regarding ineffective firing on Muhammad Jamil, husband of the complainant. Full stop. During the trial, the prosecution produced evidence on both the counts, and the statement of accused recorded under section 324 CRPC reveals that all the three accused were questioned on both the counts mentioned in the charge. Full stop. However, while recording the impugned judgment, London trial court has neither convicted nor acquitted the accused under the second count of the charge pertaining to the ineffective firing on Muhammad Jamil, husband of the complainant. Full stop. Meaning thereby that no decision was given on the second count of the charge. Full stop. This is a clear convict violation of section 367 CRPC, which is not curable under section 537 CRPC, being a serious illegality on the simple ground that there is no decision of the trial court over the second count of the charge pertaining to the ineffective firing over Muhammad Jamil. Full stop. In this respect, the judgment of the Honorable Apex Court in the case of Farooq Sayar versus Chairman NAB 2004 SCMR 1 is equal to 2004 Supreme Court SCJ 117 bracket में B and C can be referred, wherein it has been held as under Criminal Procedure Code 5 of 1898 section 367 537 failure to specify in judgment the points for determination shall fall short of requisite standard. Such an omission on the part of court is not curable under 537 as absence of decision on points for decision and reasons in judgment amounts to an illegality which prejudices the case of accused. Full stop and close. सुनाए जी मुझे आप लोग बारी बारी। कौन सुनाएगा पहले?
मैं सुनाऊं सर?
मीटिंग एंड होने वाली है, इसके बाद दोबारा कोड सेंड करूंगा, लेकिन इससे पहले आप लोगों को एक बात बता दूं। अब जो है ना, एक कोड मैं पूरे 1 महीने का आप लोगों को भेजा करूंगा। वो कोड
मतलब सर
वो रोज़ाना वही वैलिड होगा। ठीक है जी, नया कोड नहीं सेंड करना पड़ेगा आपको। और अगर क्लास ख़त्म हो जाए तो दोबारा भी आप उसी कोड पे क्लिक करेंगे।
ठीक है सर।
मतलब वो एक ही कोड 1 महीने के लिए होगा पूरा। ठीक है जी,
ठीक है।
हाँ जी, उसमें बार बार ये कोड भेजने वाला सिस्टम ये ख़त्म कर देंगे। उस पर बाकायदा क्लास का टाइम ये वो दिन हर चीज़ उसमें मेंशन आएगी। ये बेहतर हो जाएगा बार बार कोड भेजने वाले से सिस्टम
सर जी पेड कर दिया क्या जूम वालों को?
नहीं अभी पेड नहीं किया, पेड का भी सोच रहे हैं। अगर क्लासेस इसके अलावा कोई 1-2 स्टार्ट होंगी तो फिर पेड उनसे ख़रीदेंगे।
ओके
उनके डिफरेंट वो हैं। अभी ये फ्री वाला ही सारा सेटअप चला रहे हैं, लेकिन उसमें मैं काफ़ी सेटिंग मैटिंग देख के ना अच्छे तरीके से कल को टाइम लगाया था, वो मैंने देखा कि उस पर ये भी फैसिलिटी है, तो वहाँ से फिर वो एक ही कोड जनरेट कर लेंगे। चलें जी सुनाएं, अवैध सुनाएं आप।
हाँ, the instant case was registered for FIR number 400
फार नहीं वाइड है।
वाइड FIR नंबर 419 dated 2/11
490 है।
419
490
नहीं है 490 dated 2/11/2003 of police station मंडा बन्नू
मुंडन बन्नू
मंडन मंडन
मंडन बन्नू अंडर सेक्शन 324 उद्देश्य 336 34 PPP वेरिन था ये था कोई नाम था मलिक खान कोमा
खैरा
आमिर हबीबुल्ला खैरा कोमा आमिर हबीबुल्ला एलियस मरबल एंड जावेद वर चार्ज बाय द complainant मुसम्मात खैरा खुरदार बीबी for effectively firing at her and ineffectively firing at her husband मोहम्मद जावेद खान।
खान कहाँ से आ गया भाई? यहाँ खान तो
मोहम्मद
नहीं था।
जमील है सर, मोहम्मद जमील है वैसे, मोहम्मद जावेद तो नहीं
जमील
है।
at her husband Muhammad Jamil Pustap. All the three accused were tried in the court of Musammad.
बंदे को मुसम्माद क्या तूने भंग पी यार?
मिस्टर असगर सर,
Mr. Asghar additional session judge
खिलजी
मिस्टर असगर शाह खिलजी।
Mr. Asghar Shah Khilji additional session judge
अवैस कहाँ बैठे हो जरा? अवैस जरा कैमरे के सामने तो आओ। कहाँ बैठे हो?
हैं सर
तो चर्ची आ गए सामने।
ये आंखें कैसी हो रही हैं तुम्हारी?
चर्च पीता सर जी ये
हैं?
सर अभी नशा करके आया ये।
सर अभी ट्रक कोड गया होगा, ये वहाँ से आ रहा है।
क्यों भाई? तस्वीर तुमने इतनी मासूम सी लगाई हुई है।